Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video I will show you how to make delicious homemade tomato soup. We'll start by gathering our fresh ingredients. For the best flavor, select about 2 pounds of ripe, red tomatoes. You'll also need some olive oil, 1 medium onion, 2 cloves of garlic, and 4 cups of vegetable or chicken broth. Don't forget a handful of fresh basil to really elevate the aroma and taste of your soup. Let's get cooking. Now let's prepare our ingredients for cooking. First, wash and core your tomatoes, then roughly chop them into manageable pieces. In a large pot, heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil over medium heat. Add your chopped onion and minced garlic, sautéing until fragrant, which takes about 5 minutes. Then, add the chopped tomatoes and 4 cups of broth. Bring it to a gentle simmer and cook for 20 to 25 minutes, allowing the tomatoes to soften beautifully. Once your tomatoes are soft, it's time to achieve that perfect creamy texture. Carefully transfer the hot mixture to a blender or use an immersion blender directly in the pot. Blend until the soup is completely smooth. For an extra silky consistency, you can pass the soup through a fine mesh sieve. Finally, season your soup with 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, and a small pinch of sugar to balance the flavors. Taste and adjust as needed. Your homemade tomato soup is almost ready to enjoy. If it is cooled, gently reheat it over low heat. For an extra touch of richness, you can stir in about 1/4 cup of heavy cream. Garnish each serving with fresh basil leaves or a swirl of pesto for a beautiful presentation and added flavor. This warm, comforting soup pairs wonderfully with crusty bread or a classic grilled cheese sandwich. Enjoy your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.